In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam emails in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Click to open an email from the sender you want to stop. Next, click the three vertical dots icon next to the reply button in the top right corner of the email. Select block sender name to automatically send all future emails from this address to your spam folder. And to further improve filtering, click the report spam icon in the top toolbar. This is the exclamation mark inside a stop sign. This helps Gmail recognize and filter similar messages in the future. If the email is from a newsletter or subscription, click the unsubscribe link located next to the sender's name at the top of the email. If you don't see it there, scroll to the bottom of the message and click the unsubscribe link provided by the sender. For stronger control, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click Create a New Filter. In the From field, enter the sender's email address or type a domain, like at example.com, to block all emails from that domain. Click Create Filter. Now choose what you want Gmail to do automatically. Check Delete It if you want those emails permanently removed as they arrive, or check Skip the Inbox to archive them automatically without deleting. Click the Create Filter button to activate the rule. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.